Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering immediate facts. Check iOS version and install the latest security update because system integrity matters when verifying apps. Once done, go to Settings, General iPhone Storage and find the app to note size, install date, and complaints about unusual data. Next, connect to a trusted Mac or PC and open Apple Configurator or iMazing. You will need a tool that can export the app binary and metadata. Make sure to allow the device and trust the computer before proceeding. Now you export the app bundle and its metadata so you can inspect what actually exists on disk. Use Apple Configurator or iMazing to create an IPA or app folder and extract info. Plist, embedded, mobile provision, and the Mako executable. This gives you both metadata and the code image. Once extracted, open info. Plist to confirm bundle identifier and version, then inspect entitlements in the provisioning file. You should also check that a valid code signature is present. If signatures are missing, treat the app as suspect. Finish by validating the signature and comparing the code hash. You want cryptographic proof the app hasn't been altered. Use code sign verification on Mac OS or extract certificates and check the chain with OpenSol. Calculate SHA 256 of the executable and compare to a known good copy or backup. If you find a mismatch, missing signature, or unknown provisioning profile, reinstall only from the App Store. Remove untrusted profiles in settings and restore the device from a clean backup. Tip: if verification tools fail, reboot and re-export before repeating checks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.